Hi children, we learned a lot of numbers. Yes, to count from 1 to 100. Yes, now numbers can be put in order. Here we are going to learn today ascending order. Okay, look at this little child from small number goes on climbing. Small to ascend means from small to big. Small number to the biggest number. So, what we are going to do today is a very interesting exercise. I'll give you few numbers and we have to put them in order. We have to begin with small number, bigger, biggest. Ascending order. From small number to the big number, it will go higher, higher. So we have to find out, looking at the tens place, which number comes or is the smallest. Looking at the tenth place, which number will be the last, the biggest. So we are doing ascending order. Ascend from small number 1, 2, 3, 4, it goes on and on. Shall we look at our set of number and enjoy putting the numbers in order? That is called ascending order. Let's look at the numbers and I'm sure you're going to enjoy identifying the numbers. Okay, look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers here. And what are we doing? Ascending order. Small, big, bigger, bigger. We are going to put them like that. Now, we are going to look here numbers, but we are going to look at the tens place. Look, we have 24, 2 and 4, 2 tens, 4 1, 2 tens, 15, 1 10, 5 1, 60, 6 10, 0 1, 33, 3 tens, 3 1. So we are looking at the tens place. If you look at the tens place, you have 2 in the tens place, 1 in the tens place, 6 in the tens place, and 3 in the tens place. What are we doing? Ascending order. Among this, we must find in 10 which is the smallest. Which number has only 1 10? Here. This number has 1 10 5 1. So this number is the smallest. Yes? So we should take away the smallest and put it right down. Now we look at a little bigger, where it is 2 tens. 1 10 5 1. Now here 2 tens 4 1. So 2 tens, so we'll come here. Yes? Good. So we have 15, 24. Next we look at in the tens place 3 tens. Here we have 3 tens. So we'll take that number and we'll put it here. Now we have 1 10, 2 10, 3 10. The number left over has 6 in the tens place. So that comes the last. Yes? Now we have picked all the numbers from here. What have we done? Ascending order. What is the meaning ascending? Small, big, bigger, biggest. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 6 tens. So we put the smallest down and the biggest on top. So slowly we climb up. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10 and go on like that. Did you enjoy this exercise? We put all the numbers in order. 15, 24, 33, 60. Shall we take another exercise? Another set of 4 numbers and let us do together ascending order. Look, remember, we are starting with small number to the big number. Ascending order, we are looking at the numbers that fall in the tens place. Look, first number is 22. We have 2 in the tens place, 2 tens. We have 33 here. There is 3 in the tens place. 11, you have 1 in the tens place. 44, 4 in the tens place. So, the 110 will be the smallest. 110, 1, 1. 11, that's the smallest because in the tens place you have only 1. So, shall we take that number and put it down here? Yes, because smallest to the biggest. We have done the first one, 110. Now, let's look at 2 tens. Where is it? 2 tens, 2 ones. That will be the next bigger one. 11, then come 22. 110, 1 1, 2 10, 2 ones. Now, 110, 2 tens. Now we go to the 3 tens. 3 tens, 3 ones will come the next bigger number. So we have 11, 22, 33, 3 tens. Next we have the 4 tens. So we put it here, 4 tens. We are doing ascending order from small number to the big number. 11, 22, 33, 44. So we have put all the numbers in ascending order from the small to the biggest. Very good. Shall we go to next exercise? Good. Look at the set of numbers. And remember, we are looking at the tens place only. Easy to identify the smallest and the greatest. You have here 35 and you have 3 in the tens place. 3 tens, 5 ones. Next let's look at 25. 2 in the tens place, 5 in the ones place. 2 and 5, 25. And here you have 55, 5 in the tens place and 5 in the ones place. And the last one, 45, you have 4 in the tens place, 5 in the ones place. So let's look at all the tens places. 3 tens, 2 tens, 5 tens, 4 tens. Which is the smallest tens? 2 tens. 2 tens, 5 1. That's the smallest. So that we take and put it here. We are doing ascending order. Putting all these numbers into proper order. Smallest to the biggest. So we put the 2 tens here. Next we go on to 3 tens. 3 tens, 5 1, 35. That we put it here. So 25 and the 35 comes here. 3 tens. So 3 tens, 5 ones come here. So 25, 35. Good. Next, here 3 tens. Then we go on to the 4 tens. We have 2 tens, 3 tens. Then we bring down the 4 tens, 5 ones. So we have here 45 here. 25, 35. And we bring down the 45 here. 25, 35, 45. Now we bring the biggest number, 5 tens, 5 ones, down there. So you have 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. We have arranged the numbers from 25 to 55 in ascending order. 25 being the smallest and 55 being the biggest. Did you enjoy? Good. Let's go to another exercise now. Look at the numbers carefully and let's go and find all the tens places. First number is 35. 3 tens. Next number is 66. 6 tens. Next number is 18. 1 10 here. And the last number is 89 and you have 8 in the tens place. 3 tens, 6 tens, 1 10, 8 tens. Alright? Now, 110 surely is the smallest here. 110, 8 ones we take slowly and put it down here because that's the smallest number. In ascending order, 18, 1, 10, 8, 1 is the smallest. Now let's look at the next bigger one. Here it is 110. Next we have 310. 3 tens, 5 ones. So we bring it here. So 18, 35. Next tens is 6 tens. 6 10, 6 1 is the next bigger number, and that we bring and put it down here. So we have 18, 35, 66. And finally we have 8 tens here. 8 and 9, 89, 8 tens, 9, 1. We put it here. What have we done? We have arranged all the 4 numbers in ascending order. Small one to the big one. 18, 35, 66, 89. All arranged beautifully in ascending order. Did you learn ascending order? Good. Shall we take another exercise? Good. Look at the numbers. Identify the tens in each of these numbers. Look, we have 20 here, so it is 2 tens. 10 here, that is 1 10. 40 here, that is 4 tens. And 30 here, that is 3 tens. So, 2 10, 1 10, 4 tens, 3 tens. So, which is the smallest, children? Surely, 110 is the smallest among all. 1 in the 10th place, 0 in the 1st place. So, that is the smallest, and we take and put it in this box. 1 and 0, 10, smallest among all. 110. Next, we pick the 2 tens. 2 10, 0 ones, 20. So, we take the 20 and put it here. 10, 20. 2 tens. Now, we look for the 3 tens. 3 10, 0 ones is the next bigger number, and that bigger number goes down here. So, we have 10, 20, 30. Finally, here you have 4 tens. So, we take and put it here. Now, we have arranged 10, 20, 30, 40. We have arranged all the 4 numbers in ascending order. Smallest 10 and the biggest 40. Did you enjoy, children? Good. Let's go to another exercise. Look, let's look at the tens place again. 54, 5 tens. 83, 8 tens. 28, 2 tens. 94, 9 tens. Look, 5 tens, 8 tens, 2 tens, 9 tens. Which is the smallest? Certainly, 2 tens is the smallest. 2 tens, 8 1. That's the smallest number we have among the 4. We take it and put it into this first box. 2 tens, 8 ones. Next we look at 5 tens, 8 tens. 5 tens is next bigger one. 5 tens. 5 tens, 4 ones goes into the next box. 5 tens, 4 ones goes to the next box. So we have 28, 54. Next one. Is it 8 tens or 9 tens? Which is big? Certainly 9. So 8 is the next one. 8 tens, we bring it down here. 8 tens, 3 ones. So 28, 54, 83. Finally, the biggest number of all here is 9 tens, 4 ones. That comes here. We learn to place them in ascending order. Smallest being the 28, 94 being the biggest. 28, 54, 83, 94. Ascending order. We are learning to place the numbers from smallest to the biggest. Let's go to the next exercise. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Let's look at the tens places. 74, 7 tens. 53, 5 tens. 28, 2 tens. 14, 1 ten. 1 10, 2 tens, 5 tens, 7 tens. Now we pick the smallest one. 1 10, 4 ones, 14. That's the smallest number among the 4. We take and put it here. We are doing ascending order. Smallest number to the biggest number. So 1 10 is come down. Next is 2 tens, 8 ones. 2 tens, 8 ones is the next bigger number. 14, 28. Now we have 5 tens, 7 tens. Certainly 5 10 is the next one. 5 tens, 3 ones will come next. And finally you have 7 tens here. 7 tens, 4 ones will be the last number. We are doing ascending order, smallest to the biggest. Smallest is 14, 28, 53, 74. Smallest number to the biggest number. Did you enjoy? Let's go to the next exercise. Shall we? Good. Let's look at all the tens places in these 4 numbers. 94, 9 tens. 73, 7 tens. 38, 3 tens. 24, 2 tens. 2 tens, 3 tens, 7 tens, 9 tens. We are doing ascending order. We need to find the smallest number of the 4. Smallest surely is 2 tens, 4 ones. We take and put in the first box. 2 tens, 4 ones is the smallest among the 4 numbers. Good. Now, let's pick 2 tens first and put it here. So, we have 2 tens, 4 ones. That's the smallest among the 4. Next we go to 3 tens. We have 2 tens here. Next is 3 tens, 8 ones. So that will be the next number. For the ascending order, you have 2 tens, next 3 tens. Fine. 9 tens, 7 tens. Which is the next one? Definitely 7 tens, 3 ones is the next one. So we have 2 tens, 3 tens, 7 tens. Finally 9 tens, 4 ones comes last. That's the biggest. In ascending order, we put the smallest here and the biggest here. We have arranged all the numbers correctly. Smallest being 24, 48, 73 and 94. Did you enjoy placing them in ascending order? Let's go to the next exercise. Look. 44, 4 tens. 33, 3 tens, 22, 2 tens, 11, 1 10. Look, 4 tens, 3 tens, 2 tens, 1 10. When you place them in ascending order, we pick the 1 10 first. 1 10, 1 1, we put them first into the box. 1 10, 1 1 is the smallest among the 4. Next is 2 tens is the next bigger one. 2 tens, 2 1 is the next bigger number. So we put in the second box. So we have 11, 22. The next is the 3 tens. 3 10, 3 ones is the next bigger number. So that goes to the third box. Finally, we have 4 tens here. 4 tens, 4 1. And that goes into the last box. Look. 11, 22, 33, 44. When we are placing them in ascending order, 11 is the smallest and 44 is the biggest. So we have placed them all correctly in ascending order. Did you enjoy? Good. Let's go to another exercise. Look. 56. 5 tens. 18. 1 10. 99. 9 tens. 83. 8 tens. So we have 8 tens, 9 tens, 1 10, 5 tens. Among all, which has only 1 10? Here, 18 has 1 10, 8 1. So that's the smallest and we place it in the first box because that's the smallest in the ascending order. Good. Now, 18 is the smallest. Let's check the next one. 1 10. Next we have is, here it is 9 10, 8 10, but here there is 5 10. So 5 10, 6 ones is the next big number. So we put in the second box. We have 8 tens, 9 tens. 8 10, 3 1 is the next bigger number that comes into the third box. Finally, 9 tens, 9 1 goes into the last box. You and I have arranged the numbers in ascending order, smallest to the biggest. 18, 56, 83, 99. Smallest to the biggest. Did you enjoy? Good.